Hello friends, welcome to your channel Finoment, presenting the first time ever silver ETF in India, and this silver ETF is based on the physical domestic silver, and the company who is launching this silver ETF is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund company. Yes, this ICICI Prudential is the one and only company in India which is launching this silver ETF. The NFO of this silver ETF has already opened on 5th of Jan and which will going to close on 19th Jan. So let's review the NFO. First, we will discuss where is the use of this silver in our industry. So first, it is used to generate the power, that is in renewable energy. So to generate the renewable energy, solar plants and solar panels is used, so on which the silver is used. Then it is used on industrial electronic items such as medical instruments, switches, satellites, etc. Then it is also used in jewelry along with the gold and diamonds. Silver is also used in making the jewelry, and silver is also used as the investment purpose to generate the return. Now we will discuss how much silver is used in our economy. So the units of the silver is called as ounces. So millions ounces means millions units or quantity, and value in crores. In renewable energy it is used 101 million ounces, and in terms of rupees almost 20,000 crores of silver is used in renewable energy sector. So in industrial electronic it is used 413 million ounces, that is units, and in terms of value almost 80,000 crores of silver is used in industrial electronic items. Therefore, making the jewelry almost 181 million ounces is used in silver, and almost 35,000 crores of silver is used in making the jewelry. And in investment purpose they are using 200 million ounces of silver, and in terms of value 39,000 crores of silver is used for investment purpose. Now we will discuss the benefits of investing in commodities, that is silver is a kind of commodity. So these are the benefits of this silver. So silver can be used to hedge against the inflation, because silver and other commodities are actually used in our day-to-day general life. So it is directly linked to our day-to-day uses of the commodities. So it can be used as hedge against the inflation. Along with the equity, debt and gold, it will also play a silver also play a diversification in your portfolio. Then it can be used easily on the, it can be purchased and sell easily on the stock exchanges, because there is a highly liquidity in silver as well. Now there is no storage cost for holding the silver in ETF in demat, as there is a holding cost for holding the physical silver in locker as well as in other places. We have to pay the rent, but in ETF it will be stored in demat account, so there is no separate higher charges for holding the cost of silver ETF. Then risk of, as these silvers are not rated by any credit rating agency, so there is a less chances of downgrade of or deduction of value of silver. Now we will discuss about the ICICI Prudential Silver ETF. The investment objective of this NFO is to generate the maximum return, and which will be based on the physical domestic silver prices. So this silver ETF will be completely based on the domestic silver prices. Now this scheme will use these funds in the physical silver and silver related instrument. As we have already discussed, there is no holding cost for holding the silver ETF. As we already discussed, there will be no separate additional cost for holding the silver ETF, unlike the silver physical which we hold in our locker and etc. Now we will discuss the performance history of the silver. So in last 4 years silver has approximately given 63% return. So in December 2017 the price of the silver for 1 kg was 40,000 rupees. In December 2021 the price is approximately 65,000 rupees for 1 kg. So on an average 16% per year return has been delivered by silver on an average, and in 4 years it has given us 63% of marvelous return. Now we will compare the return history with the Nifty 50 index, that is stock market. So we will take out three events: prime mortgage, that is 2008 Lehman Brother event, temper tantrum event, and COVID-19 present recession case. In three of the cases, silver has beaten the Nifty 50 return. So in 2008, where there was a Lehman Brother cases in which silver has given a 13% of return, whereas Nifty 50 has given a negative return of 54% approximately. In temper tantrum cases, silver has fallen by 6%, whereas Nifty 50 has fallen more than 7%. And in COVID-19 recent situation, silver has fallen around 23%, whereas Nifty 50 was fallen around 37 to 40%. So silver has outperformed the Nifty 50 as well. Now we will discuss why you should invest in ICICI Prudential Silver ETF. First, it is a tangible asset. So there is a actual use of silver that we have already discussed. It is used in renewable energy, jewelry, making the jewelry, in other electronic items, investment purpose also. So since it is a tangible asset, it can be used. Then investor need not worry about the purity. As we already discussed, silver has given a quite good return during the crisis and recession also, as compared to the Nifty 50. It can also be hedged against the inflation. Then also we have discussed there is no holding cost for holding the silver ETF, and also it provide a higher liquidity for trading purpose. It also play a crucial role for diversification in your portfolio, which will result in reduction in risk of your portfolio. Majority of the silver is consumed and it is not available for recycling. So pure silver is used and no recycling is done for silver. Silver ETF enable the investor in investing the silver without storage cost. As we have already discussed, there is no separate storage cost for holding the silver ETF, and silver is used for solar panels, medical instruments, switches, and satellites. Now we will discuss the scheme detail. The type of the scheme: it is an open-ended scheme which will replicate or copy the domestic price of the silver, which we already discussed. The NFO has already opened on 5th of Jan and which will going to close on 19th Jan. Now the fund manager who will manage this silver ETF is Gaurav Chikane. The minimum application for this ETF is ₹100. With the 100 rupees you can start the investing in silver ETF. So that's the best part. I liked it. You can invest 100 rupees and you can purchase the silver. There will not be any exit load for selling on units of the silver. The benchmark, as we already discussed, this will be based on the physical domestic price of the silver. If you feel that video is useful to you, then please do like our video and please subscribe to our channel Finoment if you have still not subscribed it, and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. And also please comment it in the comment box on which topic you want to watch the next videos.